In this video, we're using the cement grout joint remover to remove the grout around an incorrectly installed shower drain and tiles. To start, we attempted to remove the grout by scraping it with a cutting tool, which proved to be ineffective. Then, using a small sponge brush, we applied the cement grout joint remover to the grout between the tiles around the drain. We let the remover work for 5 minutes, then used the cutting tool to scrape the grout around the drain. The grout was softened and easy to scrape out after applying the remover. The cement grout joint remover is ideal for removing polymer-modified cement grout joints. It's safe on concrete surfaces, natural stones, and plywood. After cutting through the grout lines, we applied the remover a second time over the same area. We let the remover work for 7 minutes, then used the cutting tool to scrape away the remaining grout and remove the drain. After the second application, the deepest layers of the grout were fully softened and easy to scrape out. We used warm water and a sponge to remove remaining residue. However, thoroughly rinsing with a 5% solution of FCS heavy-duty cleaner is recommended to dislodge any remaining grout and remove residue. The cement grout joint remover is easy to use, works fast, has no strong odor, and only a small amount of the remover is needed to effectively remove grout. Click the link below to shop cement grout joint remover and other great FCS products. Thanks for watching.